Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to embed videos into Google Sites and have them start playing at a specific moment. It's super handy if you want your viewers to jump straight to the part that matters. First, open the page in Google Sites where you want to embed the video. You can create a new page or use an existing one, whatever works for you. Next, click on the Insert menu on the right, then choose YouTube. This lets you search for the video or paste a YouTube link directly. After selecting your video, you'll see an option called Start At. Tick that box and type in the minute and second where you want the video to begin. So if you want it to start at 1 minute 30, just enter 1:30. Once that's set, click Insert and the video will appear right on your page. You can resize it or move it around as needed. Now, visitors will jump straight to the moment you set when they play it. And that's it. Embedding a video on Google Sites to start at a specific time is really simple and makes your pages more interactive. Don't forget to, preview the page to make sure everything works. And happy embedding.